Sharon's mother was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000.
Chris, I got arrested last night.
What?
The FBI arrested me.
The FBI? Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
Because of my involvement with the firm.
It was my pleasure. My name's Marcus.
Lisa.
Hey, Lisa. Lisa, I have a confession to make.
You do?
Yeah, see, I've never done anything like this before.
Like what?
What a drink for a woman I didn't know. She's still the agent down there? You got a problem? No, but she might. You're on the same team. Work it out.